Donk. Probably gonna be a race donk now, or just a pig. It got way worse. Way worse. Sitting for 4 years. It got way, way worse. Well, only in the back. The front is great. Got way worse. I can't afford real body work, so I'm gonna do some cheap body work myself. The donk is home. Once it dry up, next couple weeks, I'm gonna get this top ripped off. I'm gonna start doing my own body work, and we're gonna put the donk together with that motor over there in the corner. Where that white box at? We're gonna put that together. We're gonna spray some nitrous down his throat, and we're gonna put an eBay turbo on it. It's gonna be our street car. It's gonna be a daily driver. That's gonna be a daily driver. That's gonna be a daily driver. The Camaro and that's gonna be a daily driver. The Camaro and the donk gonna be my little kind of race cars. Guess I can go see if I can get some, drag that in the shop, change that voltage regulator. Somebody coming to get this tomorrow. Keeping the transmission for either this or the Camaro. I got a couple Corvette servo. Well, I got one Corvette servo. The other one, I think it's in that trans I got at the shop. I don't know. But I'm gonna figure this car stuff out. Supposed to be getting my grass cut. I don't know what I'm gonna do about all this. I don't know. We're in the 6.2 again. I'm bringing y'all some updates. Shit, we can't do the audio test because he had some dogs in the back, so the box gone. It's just highs and shit right now. But we can show here this 6.2 and this Flowmaster Super 10. Got the tune, let me go up to, I can go up to 5,000. I think I told him 5,000, 5,500, something like that at idle. But yeah, we just did 105 on a crowded expressway. I did it right before getting off the exit because the shit was jam packed. It's fucking 7 o'clock. It's still traffic jam out this bitch. But anyway, man. Just showing y'all my homie shit. This the Bub Special. Like I said, he love cars, but he ain't like into it like that. So when he got his truck, he like, bro, do whatever you would do to this truck like if it was yours. If you just bought this truck, what would you do? And we sat there and ordered everything I would do. Only thing is, I told him about the bass. He wanted, he like, I don't want too much bass, man. I'm like, trust me, bro, when you get this shit, you're gonna want more and more bass. So, he like, nah, and I needed to be able to move. I needed to be able to go in and out for the dogs when he carries his dogs. So, I just ordered them 210s, and he love them, but he keep asking me to turn them up to an unsafe level. I'm like, bro, you're gonna have to get 212s. I told you wanted more. Make a long story short, he got 212s. CVR kickers, but they ain't good enough. This box too small. We're gonna order some 212 scars. See if it'll do a no brick burner.